Hey everyone, Jonathan Kling here. This video is going to explain to you how to create a single Pronto chat if you have cross-listed courses. So the way that it's currently set up, even if you have cross-listed courses, you're going to have two different Pronto chats for each section. So the first thing you can do is open up Pronto in the bottom left over here. And you want to click on this box that will open up the full Pronto window. And once you have the full Pronto window opened up, you'll notice that your cross-listed section will be on the left-hand side. Now, you don't necessarily need to touch that yet. So in order to create a group that will have all the students from both of your cross-listed courses, you can go down to this little plus button, click that, and then click on Create Group. So when you create the group, you can name it whatever you want. So let's say you're teaching the same Philosophy 1 course, and you have two sections cross-listed. You can say Phil 1, Spring 2021. And this is what the group will show up as for you and your class. You can then go to Category, and winter session's already over, but just for the sake of this video, let's say that my 14740 section was cross-listed with another section. So I would go here, and then I would click Create Group. And you'll now see that this Phil 1 Spring 2021 is underneath my, for the sake of this video, my cross-listed course. You would then go to the upper right. You could click on People. And you want to click on this little button right here, which will allow you to add people to the Pronto group chat. So when you click on that Add button, a screen like this will pop up. Now under Filter, it might say for you Connections. For me, it says Entire Organization. So I can add anyone in our organization to this group chat. But I don't want to add everyone in the organization. I only want to add the students that are in my cross-listed courses. So I would go down to Group, and in this case, because my philosophy class isn't cross-listed, of course there's only one, but if you're cross-listing multiple, you would have multiple philosophy courses underneath this tab from your cross-listed section. So you could click on each of them, and when you click on each of them, your students will show up, and then you can select them individually, and then at the bottom here, you'll click Add. Now, I'm not going to click on my classes so that my students' names don't show up, but you will have your each section of your cross-listed course would show up under the group right here. Now, when you add all of those students in, so let's click out of here. What you'll notice is that all the way on the left-hand side, you'll now have, so let's say if there were two sections that I had cross-listed, well, now I've got three chats. So I've got the one chat that I just created with all of the students from both cross-listed courses in there. But then I also have the two chats from the previous Pronto sections. So what you would have to do is you'll have to go to ilearn.canvas.pronto.io. ilearn.canvas.pronto.io. And once you go there, you'll have to go to your sections which are cross-listed. So in this case, right, we're pretending that this is my cross-listed section. And you'll have to disable these groups. And so that way they won't show up for your students, so they won't get confused on which Pronto chat they should be using. It's also a good idea to get out in front of the Pronto chat. So once you make the Pronto chat, I suggest immediately messaging your group so that your students know that that is a Pronto chat that has both sections combined in it. Another thing that might happen is that students will add or drop during the duration of the course. And so if you want to add students, go to that Pronto chat that you created, go back to the upper right-hand corner, click on People, go back to Add, right? And then search Entire Organization and search their name. That way you can add students. And in this window, once your students are already in here, if they drop the class, you can manually drop them from the Pronto chat. So yes, this does require a little bit more customization, but it's preferable to having two completely different Pronto chats, especially if you've already cross-listed your courses into one Canvas shell. If you have any questions on how to do this, you can reach out to me. My email is klingj@laccd.edu, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.